Well, hello, Chi.Chi.Luxe here. I know a long time no see, but your girl's home life and health has been tested. Okay, so I'm finally feeling better. I know I ain't been on here in like mad long, but it did not stop my shopping. So we have a couple of unboxings to do, and it's going to be from the Cise.Store. Cise, if you've never heard of them, they are a black owned company. So of course I had to support. It did come in the shipping box, but you know, it was recycling day and I wanted to get the box out. So this is the whole plastic bag, and this is from their spring collection. It comes in a beautiful dust bag. Of course, it's Protect Black People. And I ended up getting their sage bag. Let me take this wrapping off. Bam. Protect Black People in this gorgeous, gorgeous sage color. Like, this color is beautiful. I've been holding on to this bag for a couple of weeks now, but ain't she cute, girl? Very, very tiny. I love the message. They are LA based, of course, black owned, and I saw this color and I was just like, you know what? I want something green, but not like super green. I've been on my Ruby ride, you know? So I saw this bag and I was like, yeah, this is the one. Y'all know I'm not really into the TBE bags, you know, that tiny bag, energy bags. This is by far the smallest bag in my collection, if you don't want to count like my mini pochette. So it's very tiny, but we got some perks to it. We have a strap, honey. I love a bag that has a strap, and then I super love a bag when it is adjustable. And it is silver hardware. You know I'm not the hugest fan of silver, but I'll survive. I can't be mad at a long adjustable strap. It's in that beautiful sage color. And let's get into the interior. They've been stepping up. So it does come with this care booklet, so to speak. So you know how to care for your newest pieces. It also came with a stock card with all of their information. I can, bam, give that to you so you know how to follow them on the gram. And then inside, it did come with, I'm not sure how many people will appreciate it or not, but they do stuff it with cardboard so it can keep its shape, and it does come with a gel silica pad. But interior, you do have their tag right there, a zippered compartment. It's not a deep compartment. I don't even think you can fit a credit card in it, but it does have that. The D-rings for the straps are in here, and then of course it's a pit. It is a magnetic closure. When the bags are this tiny, I don't even care for a closure at all because I already know I'm gonna stuff it to bits. But it has feet. The fact that this has feet, I was just like, okay, we're game with this. So this retails for $150, and it is vegan leather. Y'all know I personally prefer real leather, but I'm still going to buy the vegan leather. I think that is something that is very important to them. And this one is stitched up pretty well. She is just, look at this beautiful little cute bag. Now my first bag, there's a whole story to this. This one is the Protect Black Women bag. Same size, but I will say the quality of this one isn't as great, because when I go over the bag, I do see like a little bit of glazing or the interior parts within the bag to make the structure. I do see that, so I wasn't particularly happy with this particular bag. Judging from the original bag that I have to this one by far has stepped up, by far. This bag also does come with a adjustable strap, so you can, you know, wear it crossbody or long waist. And this one has the gold hardware. Y'all know I'm a fan of gold hardware. That's my favorite type of hardware. Is gold, then gunmetal, then silver. And maybe a little rose gold up in there. Now, funny story with this brand in general. So at the time I was eyeing these heavy. Like I was waiting for them to restock and everything, and I really wanted a mini red one. They only carried that in a medium size. I've been on my mini tote kick, okay? So I would always comment like, hey, y'all gonna make it in a mini red or something? So then I got a DM from Cise.Store, and I put up air quotes because it was a total like fake page. I already knew it wasn't them. And this is why you have to pay close attention to who you're speaking to in the DMs. They wanted all this information from me, like, oh my God, we have the color, we have size. Let us know. There's one last one in store. We can give it to you. At first glance, it completely looked like their store. They had all the same pictures and everything. So I was like, you know what? She got time today. So I respond like, oh my God, I'm so interested, knowing that this is not the brand. They're like, yes, yeah, cool. What's your address and all that stuff? And I was like, yeah, I would live at 123. You tried it. And I went off on them. I'm like, yo, like this is a company who's trying to, you know, build their brand, and you're out here trying to scam people. So definitely be careful when the brand that you're like commenting on their page and stuff like that. There are scammers out here who will contact you directly trying to sell you a fake bag. And I felt really bad, and I did contact them directly and say, hey, this Instagram page is trying to, you know, sell your products, you know. And they were very thankful that I did report the page, and they did let me know that, hey, that is not us. We are not affiliated with that. I really felt bad for this brand. It made me want to buy from them more, because I'm like, yo, like you're a small brand. They're not on the Brandon Blackwood level or the Telfar level yet. And they already have people trying to like poach off of them. And I was just like, that's why I really wanted to support, because it was just like, damn, like, what if I would have sent them $150? What if like they would have sold me a terrible bag? And I was just like, it's messed up. Whoever was on the other side of that conversation got super mad when I was just like, y'all trying it. They cursed me out, and they was like, oh, whatever. And I'm like, no, the scammers are out here in these streets, and I definitely don't want you to get scammed. But I'm very happy with my purchases. I do like the quality of this one better than my original bag, but all in all, they're cute bags. Look how cute they are. This is a up and coming brand, so I definitely feel like there's room for improvement. I said the same thing with Telfar too. I love the message, I love the vibe of the brand, and I will be supporting them. So I will leave all of their information in the description box. And in the meantime, check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.